Hey everybody, welcome back. Check it out. Here we've got the brand new V2, I'd call it, UMX MiG-15 from Horizon Hobby E-flite. And like I said, this is the new version. I believe it's got an upgraded motor in it, safe, and a bunch of other features. This is the bind and fly basic version. Is there anything worth noting on the package? Obviously the AS3X, safe mode, that kind of stuff. Here's some of the specs. They went with a little different scheme on this one, which is kind of neat. Mix them up, that way you know what's new and what's old. One of the cool things about these ultra micros is they fit in the box they come in, so you don't ever have to worry about transporting them or anything like that. What do we got here? Little guns or something? Let's see here. What would be the best way? As you can see, I haven't even taken it out of the package yet, so we're all getting to see this at the same time. Now you can see how they really come. So, this layer of thin foam. This is the first one of these I've had. I have seen GB Linden's in person. I've never flown it. I've never touched it. So I've got one of my own now. Look at that little guy. It's got the little wheels on. These just clip off and on, so you can take them off. Nose wheel steers. If you want to just hand launch it, you can do that. If you want to take off and land on a road or paved surface, you can do it with the wheels, so you got options. Okay, let me get the box out of the way here. Manual and stuff probably is underneath here. Yep, there it is. Cut that out for you. And that'll probably tell me what those little bits do. I don't know why. I thought maybe this came with a battery, but I guess it does not. I hope I have one that will fit. Anyways, here's your manual. Tells you where the CG is 58 millimeters back from the leading edge at the root. Here's how the wheels will pop off and on. Here's where those little guns, okay, will go underneath there in the bottom. Okay, it recommends a 282S battery. I happen to have a couple. Let me kind of give you a look at what something like that looks like. Little tiny guy. Only issue I see here though, so I'm going to have to put some Velcro. I have to put it on the side maybe. I'll have to figure that part out yet. So like I said, I'm new to these little MiGs. But anyways, in that other package that has the guns, there's a little piece of Velcro in there, and there's the little guns and stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and put those on because I'm all about the scale details. And why wouldn't you? They give them to you. You paid for them. You might as well play with them, right? Okay. So there you go. I put the guns on. Here's how they will go. The two little ones go on one side. Make sure she focuses for you. And then the one bigger one goes on the other. I just poked them in there. They're actually quite sturdy. But I might put a little drop of thin CA, or foam safe CA, sorry, on there, and that'll make sure they stay on there permanently. But just give you some looks at that bird. It's very nice looking. It's pretty cool. Should be a lot of fun. Like I said, the cool thing about these is they're pretty much ready to go out of the box, and they fit in the box that they come in. And like, who doesn't like that? So I guess let me get my radio bound up here and we'll do a control check. Okay, battery plugged in. You can see the lights are going. I've already got the model selected, not selected, but model named in my radio, so turn my radio on now, holding down the bind button. There we go. She bound up just like that. Everything's going the right way. Very cool. You can see the gyros are already taken over. I'm going to just go ahead and I don't know what to do with that battery, but very cool. I don't know how much juice is in that battery, so I'm not going to push it too much, but you get the idea. Show you the steering. I actually got a lot of steering. Kind of neat how that works. Kind of plugs into that little spot there. Notice the split rudder up and above the elevator. Pretty cool touch. Little elevators. You got your little tiny ailerons. Yeah, very cool. I don't know if you guys can see down in there. It's just cute. So there we go. You can see, not a very big airplane, but awesome. Anyways, like I said, it's my first UMX MiG. Pretty stoked. We're going to wait on some weather here and check my batteries that they're good, and we'll be taking it out for mating. So when we come back, we'll be out at the field. Okay, one thing worth noting on these is the safe I told you about. It's factory enabled by default, and it goes off and on with your gear switch. You can't tell on the ground here, but so if you want to do loops and rolls and stuff like that, you got to flip that off with the gear switch.
Oh yeah. All right. Gonna set up landing.
know.